machines.
Which one?
Wow!
Crocodile attack.
Wow, that's nice. Jayden and Jeremy. Okay, let's unbox it.
I'm opening
Can we
it.
see the box first?
Mama,
Yeah.
it's Sonia, look. Wow.
There's a nice blue shade.
Yeah, I want to show homemade. Look out. Look.
Yeah. Jayden, you
No,
need to
you-
cut the.
Wait! You need this red ink. When it open this,
Open it.
I don't. Could be doing.
This is not a big one, yeah?
No.
Yeah.
Let me try first. Me. Oh, I need you. Oh, I need this.
It's a big crocodile mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to open this thing. Oh.
Let's go on. Let's continue.
What
Are you done with assembling everything?
shall we do? This thing. What shall I do? What shall I do? What shall I put
Stop
the
these things. Yeah.
Whoa!
Okay, you can cut it now.
Me?
Be careful. No that way, Jeremy.
The crocodile! No. No. No working. You can put the crocodile out.
Yeah, the mouth is very big.
I try fast. Now I try. Now we need to put this. Mama,
Yeah.
we need to put the plastic on.
The elastic, yeah?
Now get done. Oh, my brother.
Okay, try now. Let's see how your car will be swallowed by the crocodile.
I will break it.
Let's see how the car will be swallowed.
I will break the crocodile.
Yeah.
You can build this.
The mouth has been split. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Then you use. And don't go and die.
Yeah, let's go take down. Yeah.
Oh. Anna.
Let's do this.
No. Huh? Mama,
Yeah.
you can close the moon and look.
Yeah.
Look.
Uh-huh.
I will be close now.
You want to close the mouth?
Yeah, it will eat me.
Okay, I'm waiting for you now.
Ah!
Jayden pressed it for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this car have to hold me.
Uh-huh.
Now the car have to hold me.
Yeah.
Get that one out.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Try again. Let's go.
Ah!
Oh. Jeremy blocked you. Yeah.
Yeah, now that the car have to save him.
One more time.
Yeah.
Jayden, do it.
He will break the car. Yeah. You'll be swallowed. Ah! Ah!
Try the next car.
Can we
next car.
It's gonna be like that. No,
No.
Hey, just keep doing this. Stop doing it. It's mine now. He can eat it. He can eat it and play with the crocodile.
Okay.
He's biting me.
Oh, the crocodile has bite you. Yeah.
Yes. Mama, guess what? It's mine. It's mine. It's my Hot Wheels.
You have so many cars that has been
Yeah.
swallowed. Yeah.
They swallowed now.
Mm.
Yuck.
Hot Wheels.
I'm very
Yeah.
hungry. I want more cars.
Jeremy,
Huh?
Jayden needs to play your song. Jayden, hello.
Oh no, he's too strong. Mama,
Yeah.
he's too strong.
Okay.
Yeah! Manila eat them now.
Yeah.
Maybe this cow will be swallowed.
Okay,
now.
do it.
Ah!
Oh,
No!
it has been swallowed. Yeah.
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 Mama, we eat you.
You need to open the mouth.
No. He will put him out.
Yeah.
Oh, you go too fast.
Okay.
Now then.
Now you have two cars that have been swallowed. Yeah.
Yeah, come. Oh,
They can't. All of them cannot fit in that mouth.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh no! We need to help. He's very hungry.
Who is hungry?
The crocodile.
Yeah.
Wow!
Ah.
No!
Now the mouth is full of cars.
Yeah!
Yeah.
He eats so much cars.
Jayden.
Oh no! Oh no! Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next video. Please subscribe.